Guys, Xiaomi is launching Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The device will feature a large 6.7 inches 2K resolution, 120Hz LTPO display, which is more power sufficient and offer a smoother and more responsive user experience. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is the one of most powerful processor available in the market. The processor is offering lightning fast performance and smooth multitasking capabilities. The device will come in two RAM options, 12GB and 16GB, which is more than enough for most users. The Xiaomi 1230 Ultra has 256 and 512GB options. Also a 1TB storage option, which will make the device stand out from its competitors. Xiaomi 13 Ultra will run with Android 13 based MIUI 14 system. The device will also come with a 4900 mAh battery, which will provide all-day battery life. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will support 50 watt wireless fast charging, which is one of the latest specifications from Xiaomi. One of the most significant upgrades of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is its camera system. The device features a 50 megapixel main camera with a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor. It will also feature a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and two 50 megapixel telephoto lenses, making it a versatile camera system. The front camera is 32 megapixel, which will ideal for selfies and video chats. The overall design of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is similar to the Xiaomi 13 2S Ultra, with a large round camera module on the rear. That's all for now. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.